Alrighty folks, this is one of Daniel's tricks. Got a fence post needing to pull up. He said take some water and pour around it and let it soak down in there. Shake it a little bit. Pour a little bit more water. Pull it right up out of there. That's Daniel's trick. Garden got away from us, folks. We're fixing it now, going to turn the chickens in here. Hopefully the hawks won't fly down and get them. Still got to pick our corn over there. The way they're talking about work, I should have plenty of time. The way they're talking, we'll probably be getting laid off. Probably going to be finding a new job, more than likely. We'll just see how things pan out. Of course, the way this economy is and everything, there'll probably be a lot of places laying off, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to fix a little bit of fence. We've got a fence around the side over here and this way here, and the chickens will be able to roam in here. We'll fix it to where of an evening they can still come back over and get into their lot and the little coop. But we're going to put a fence in right now. What kind of bug you are. But we'll be showing you different steps here. See you in just a few minutes. Alrighty folks, what we're doing, we're taking up some of our bean tunnels and we're fixing just some fence. We're getting ready to open the chickens up, let them have this mess in here. And I know it ain't gonna keep the chickens in, but it will give them a little bit of time if some kind of predator gets after them. Dog won't be getting through this or anything here. Dixie might get through, but she won't be getting after the chickens. We'll watch her. Now, if we can do us out getting flung. Come on, Dan, you get over there. I don't want to get flung. Okay, Dan, be careful. By the way, folks, Carolyn said this shirt don't go along with the camera too well. Must be the pattern. All right. We ain't got to fix the fence post too good, folks. And once again, zip ties are a handy thing. We're not trying to keep no goats in or anything with them. Just some chickens. And like I said, they'll probably go in and out. It's just to help them get a little bit of speed difference in case something gets after them. All right, that's good. Let's go get another cattle panel, Dan. Look out, Dixie. Look out, Dixie. We're coming through. Look out, Mama. Look out, Mama. Dang it, Dan. Oh. Come on, man. Yeah, we'll have to fix that thing. Zip ties? Yeah. Ah. Harbor Freight, folks. Amazon probably has them too. Hello to you too, Dixie. Hello to you too. Sound like a little hyena. Yeah. Get that snort. Alright, that's got this side fixed. Now we've got some old woven wire fence. We'll see how far it goes. I may need to get another roll of old fence we've got over there. And then we'll need to fix it to where we can get in and out easily. See you in just a minute.
And here's my zinnias. The freeze finally got them. I'll get a few seeds out of them. It's that time of year though.
Alrighty folks, now we put the fence up down there the other day. That's just to keep from getting down next to the road. Well, there goes the mama goat. She's seen her other crew a walking up through there. She likes to talk to them. We're going to turn the chickens out into here and let them work through all these old weeds and everything, get the seeds. And there's still plenty of grasshoppers right now and crickets, but it won't be for long. So what we're going to do, we're going to fix a little door down here. And how we're going to do this, I've got some old pieces of wood here. We're going to sandwich them together around the fence. I'm going to put hinges down here. Here will be our door, and they'll be able to have a daytime come out, nighttime we'll put them back up. That'll give us something a little bit rigid to hook the hinges to. Yeah, we're fixing you a place. It's just, as you can see, it's just sandwiching the fence together. And should work. We'll find out. Like I said, a lot of times my ideas, sometimes they work out. Sometimes. Won't know till we try. Alrighty. Now these hinges a little bit fancier than what I was expecting, but got a good price on them, so. Alrighty. Chickens really don't care what color the screws are, I don't think. Alright. I was going to put up some gutter. I may still go buy one more piece. Checked the price on it this morning, is $17 for a 10-foot piece. Folks, prices are just stupid. Just framing up around it here, folks. Using the fence to help hold it up.
You told him to turn it off, and then you said about the wire.
We'll cut the wire out here in just a minute. I'm going to take another board and put over top here just to ridge it up a little bit right here. And you can see, we can open this up. Chickens can come out. And of the evening, we'll just come and close them back up. Like that there. Alrighty, I'll come back now. If there's any water hanging down, I'll fix that. Don't want little furs getting cut up. Alrighty. Now, try it out here. There we go. Morning, Carolyn come over. Let them out. There we go, folks. Thank you for watching. Hope y'all have a great day. We'll be seeing you soon. Stay safe. Yep. Just be sure you come back this evening.
Come on.
Where you at, Donald? They say, is this a trap? You come out, Donald. Yeah. He said, I don't know about that. He said, maybe a trap.